Hello everyone, and welcome to this Facebook live stream. This is Dominika. Thank you for watching if you are watching live, or thank you for watching the replay. Hope you can see me and hear me well. And today I am going to talk about a little bit what can you expect from our upcoming virtual summit, Effortless Success in Your Portable Career and Business, which is starting next week on Monday, the 5th of November. So if you haven't signed up yet, it is time to take action and subscribe to our 2 weeks online summit, because it will be an amazing event with fantastic guest speakers, which will share with us their secrets, tips, and resources about how to create and build and grow your own portable career and business in an effortless way. But first of all, let me introduce myself to those who don't know me yet. My name is Dominika Miernik, and I am a career coach and a business coach, mainly for expat women and globally mobile women and I help them to create a fulfilling career and business around their international life. And this is what I do. And let's come back to our topic for today. So, what to expect from our upcoming summit? My advice to you is to come with an open mind, and also to set up an intention for this upcoming summit. So, what would you like to learn from it? What are your goals for this summit? So think about it. Come with an open mind. So this is my suggestion for you. As I said before, we are going to have 29 fantastic guest speakers, and they will share with us a lot of information about how you can build and create an online business, a portable career, without being overwhelmed. So you will have a possibility to get clear exactly what is your vision, purpose, what is your message, how to create a balance in your international life and your international careers or business. You will learn about self-care, how to take care of yourself while building and create your business, about how to apply mindfulness to the marketing, and what is your marketing digital strategy, so you can go and get visible to your dream clients. How to get visible online, for example, how to do Facebook Lives online, how to overcome fear of getting visible and start public speaking engagements, networking, how to organize retreats. So you will learn a lot of fantastic information and ways to get clear exactly what is your portable career idea, what is your business idea, and how to share it, and how to draw your dream clients to you. So the summit is starting next week on Monday, and you will get 2 interviews per day. You will have a possibility to choose between audio interview, so you can listen to it, or if you prefer to watch, you can watch a video interview. There is only one day when you will get 3 interviews to listen or watch, and all the interviews are about 15 to 25 minutes, so they are quite short and full of fantastic tips and resources, so you can have the best of the summit. So come with an open mind, show up. So you can join our Facebook group, International Life, Create Your Thriving Career and Business, and you can ask questions about every interview, interact with some speakers, and also share your insights, share your learning points or any doubts and questions that you have. So this is the best way to get the most of this upcoming summit. So we are starting on the 5th of November, 2 weeks of fantastic interviews, and there will be also a replay for you, so you are not going to miss any interview. So if you have, and I will put the link in the comments, so you can still sign up. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them, share them in the comment box below, or also you can share what are your intentions for the summit, what would you like to learn, and what are your goals or challenges. So share in the comment box below, and I will answer them as soon as I can. So I hope to see you next week, Monday, 5th of November. I am very, very excited about this summit because we are going to have really amazing guest speakers. So come and join us, and I will see you on Monday. Thank you very much for watching, or thank you for watching the replay, and I will be back soon with another Facebook Live. So have a nice day wherever you are in the world. See you soon. Bye.